Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. This is probably going to be my first video I'm going to upload. I recently ordered some parts from Amazon and here are the parts. I've received 5 packages and this is the case I got locally. It's a K282. It has dual USB front 3.0 ports. So yeah, I just wanted something that was cheap, so this is it. And let's get ready. I'm making this video so that I could show everyone the parts I have ordered for my gaming build. And hopefully I'll make a second video where I'll be assembling this PC. So let's go. So the first things first, I'll be using a Ryzen 7 2700X. Yeah, I got this off Amazon for $289 on Black Friday, so it was a good deal. Then I ordered this Logitech gaming mouse 502 G502, and I ordered it for $49. Then I even ordered this Corsair USB 3.1. It's quite good. I got it on a good offer, $42. Currently it's at $70 plus, so that's a good thing. I wanted something that I could use. Normally I have USBs and I always lose them, so this one is something I won't lose. I've ordered the gaming headset as well. That's from Logitech G430. So one box I've received everything. Let's see the other one. This is going to be the keyboard. Let's see. It's supposed to be the keyboard. Let's see what comes out of this box. This is the one. It's a Corsair gaming keyboard. K55. Looks sleek. On to the next one. I guess this is going to be the rest of the parts. Let's see. So yeah, this is the Asus ROG Strix X470F gaming motherboard. I ordered this for $189. Then is the Radeon RX 580 by gigabyte, 8 GB DDR5. Then I ordered the 970 Evo NVMe M.2. I got on a very good deal. This was, I think, $116 on Black Friday. All these parts I've ordered on Black Friday. So yeah, and this is the Corsair 16 GB 3000 MHz RAM, and 650 watts EVGA semi-modular power supply. Right, semi-modular? Yep, semi-modular. So that's about it. I guess I've received all the parts, so I'm glad. So let's see. I've got the case to unbox and the monitors as well. These two monitors, I got two monitors actually, and they are both 21.5 inch LEDs, 1920 by 1080p. I wanted something so I could run a dual setup. So this is it. Yeah. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Maybe I'll make a second video and where I'm going to unbox all these parts, and hopefully we'll build it. Let's see how it goes.
Oh yeah, I'm living up life like a baller. I'm living like white, like I'm Walter.